Okay, so
the most common types of jokes that Ellen makes, how you can use those jokes to get people to immediately like you, and some habits that you can work on to generally be funnier and more positive throughout your day. So let's start with the obvious.
Happy day, I'm glad.
Okay. I can't. I was about to gag.
My pants are coming off.
Oh!
The first person to be naked.
Whoa, what is in his teeth? What is in his teeth?
To take off one item of clothing. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!
Now every face did you walk in the club, did you do to those biscuits to make them rise that way? Or telling my friend how she cut her fucking finger on the motherfucking glass when she was washing the dishes. I'm proud to meet you, sir. How in the fuck are you today? I'm proud to meet you, sir. How in the fuck are you today? Oh, fucking.
While alcohol may make you feel warm, it actually makes you colder, just when you thought alcohol couldn't get any more interesting. And go straight for the hot chocolate.
Number 10, number 9, number 8, number 7, number 6, number 5, number 4, number 3, number 2, number 1. For more mind-blowing top 10s published daily, be sure to subscribe to Ms. Mojo.
Pessoal, aqui fala mal, não têm mais nada que fazer do que...
Hey, I'm Murph from College Humor. If you like that video, click here to subscribe and click here to see more sketches. Yeah, they're sketches, not skits. And I'm a pretentious dickhead.
But behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Concerned with whatever you feel.
Let me ask you a question. Have you ever had a hard time coming up with things to talk about? Your brain ever just freeze and you end up with a long, awkward silence?
I'm taking pictures of things I find beautiful.
I'll touch you in the face.
What?
You're saying you find me beautiful?
Yes, of course.
You better watch your ass.
You're a beautiful being and you know it.
Shut up!
You're a beautiful being and you know it, Zoe.
Alright, are you done then? Do you have what you need?
Why are you being like this?
Clearly you're being goofy.
So why keep having so many children? I love babies, I love children. It's the most wonderful thing in the world to be able to do. But to go for your 13th, say, you've said to us that you're addicted to having babies.
Yeah, I'm literally addicted to having babies.
Go 5777.
But maybe you can answer Mojo's question. What do you think? Can Mojo become smarter? What about you? Now that's an interesting question indeed.
Pajamas on!
Whatever I do, just don't press the button. Push this diamond button and get out of here. 3, 2, 1, bam!
Their most desperate strategy yet. A final solution. The destruction of the sky. May there be mercy on man and machine for their sins.
People, you are comfortable at the center of attention. You are socially people enjoy my enthusiasm. You like socially outgoing. I like being socially comfortable. People enjoy. I like people. People enjoy your enthusiasm. I am socially comfortable. You are socially outgoing. I like socially center of attention.
I say a pet is a man's best friend, especially when they're loyal to you. This loyalty goes beyond what the normal person can see. In fact, sometimes they can alert you to stay away from unforeseen danger. Creepy? Well,
I'd be like,
oh!
Oppan Gangnam Style. You wanna get loose?
Turning water into ice. Nice.
Everyone goes through life without thinking about what they're doing. Sometimes there's a better way. We are eating snacks almost every single day. We are eating snacks that will change the way you live. We are life hacks.
Where do you think the comma might be here?
Especially when I urinate.
Break out your supersized cup of joe, because coffee is the topic of this week's healthcare trio. Coffee, 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 coffee,